The FDA announced that Narcan, the nasal spray that treats opioid overdoses, can be sold over the counter within the next few months.
And this is to address the ongoing drug issue across the nation and make this treatment more accessible. After talking with local medical experts, however, Narcan is not necessarily a life-saving solution for an overdose. Our Caleb Yager on the story for us tonight. You talked with these medical experts locally today. What more did they have to tell you about the ongoing drug problems in the country and how Narcan plays with all of this?
Yeah, good evening, both of you guys, and great question. Drug overdoses are the leading cause of accidental deaths in the United States right now, which tells you how much of a problem this is really becoming.
After the announcement yesterday that Narcan would be sold over the counter by the FDA, local experts are weighing in.
In terms of people who may not be able to get it through the pharmacy because they can't afford it if they don't have insurance, I think that more people will just be willing to get it because it's more affordable to them, you know, and potentially saving someone they know or themselves.
Most of the patients I treat in the ER, they're unintentional overdoses. They're either the compound they're getting is laced with something like fentanyl. They're not trying to take an overdose, but unintentionally they do, and they stop breathing.
McCarthy knows the drug issue is not going to go away entirely.
So if they're going to be using substances, we're not trying to enable them, we're not trying to encourage them to do that, but on the other hand, we certainly don't want it to cost them their life. There are much better ways to enjoy your life and have enjoyment than taking drugs. And it only takes one dose to addict.
What does this mean for the future?
Drug deaths over the last 3 years have averaged, the most common is 40 to 50 years old. They're not teenagers, they're not college kids. They're middle-aged people who should know better. Anything that you buy on the street has a greater than average chance of killing you. And it's just that simple. If people choose to live that way, unfortunately, most of them will have to pay the price.